Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a contact form pop-up in your WordPress website. So if you are using Elementor WordPress website, let me show you. If you have installed this plugin Elementor, then simply you can go here, templates, and click on pop-ups. Scroll down, then click here button add new pop-up. Then you can give a name. For example, let me add contact us one. Then create template, on cross button. Then let's add a container flex box. Then if you want to add any heading, then you can go here and add, for example, contact form. Then you can align the text in the center, and after that if you want to add some spacing, then you can add padding. So now to add the form, then you can simply go here and type shortcode. After that you can copy and add the shortcode here. So let me go in dashboard, and after that click here WP forms. This one is the contact form shortcode. Add here. So after that you can align everything in the center. Click on publish button. Then you can add the condition where you want to display this pop-up. So keep it entire site, then triggers on page load. Also you can select after click, scroll down. You can also add some advanced rules. So now after that click on button next, and here you can select the time. For example, let me add 2 seconds, then next, then save and close. So now let's go in website and open the home page. So this is the website. Let me reload. And now here you can see contact form with pop-up is added. Now if you are not using Elementor plugin, then you can go here and install a plugin. So let's click on add plugin, search for pop-up, and here you can find out different free plugins. You can easily install and activate those plugins from the WordPress media library. So you can use any of these. So now we want to try this one, pop-up maker. Then activate the plugin. Now let's go here, create a new pop-up, and now let's add pop-up name. First pop-up, then you can add a title, for example contact form. Then you can add here shortcode, and after that you can add a trigger. You can add time delay. So this one is also okay. Then you can add some conditions. Okay, everything you can keep it default, then click on publish button. So now let's go and deactivate this one, Elementor pop-up that we recently created. So let's go and trash. Now let's visit the website, and now here you can see pop-up is created with close button as well as a background. So that's great. In this way you can easily create a pop-up in your WordPress website.